guys, you're back with another episode of me, Mr. AJ. I'm back doing a random video today, guys. There is nothing going on at the moment. Straight in there. Sorry I've not been around. I've been wanting to take a little bit of a break from doing videos, YouTube and anything like that at the moment. Just been focused on work. Yeah, just saving up as well. I've got a few ideas, a few things I'm saving for the ST. Some pretty exciting stuff. But today, on this random video, I got given some sound deadening stuff that I want to put in the middle here of the back seat because it's exposing some of the blue. At the moment I'm using some sort of black carpets that I had lying around, but yeah, they're not that great. So I've got some of the sound deadening stuff. Hopefully it will blend in. It is black. I'll give it a bit of a wipe down because it's pretty dusty, and then install it. Hopefully it should keep the sound down a little bit in here. It does echo and drone a little bit without any back seats. But yeah, and also I've got to fit my new driver's side, like a little bulb holder thing that controls the brake lights. Yeah, I don't know what you call those things, but anyway, I've got two of those that I'm going to try, because my brake lights on one side it illuminates but it doesn't react when I brake, which is, I think, might be the whole unit might be just old and broken inside. So yeah, I've got two new ones, so I'm going to give those a bash. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Then straight in with this. I know it's been a while, I'm sorry guys, but like I said, I just haven't got anything to do on the ST. I'm just enjoying it at the moment and working a lot. Anyway, this is a massive roll, huge roll. First thing I need to do though is take out the back carpet, take out the net in there, and take out the mats that I've put in there, and then get started on measuring, well, laying it down, cutting and sticking. Hopefully it should be nice and easy, and then I will move on to this light because I have some new, well, they're not new actually, I've got to get them from a breaker yard. Some of these that control the brake lights, I think the connections inside or inside this bit are dodgy on there. Like I said, it lights up but it just does not react when I brake. So yeah, I've got two of these from the breaker yard, and there's the other one in there as well, down in there. But yeah, anyway, let's start ripping this shit out and get on with it. Oh man, it's absolutely beautiful out today. It's like a freaking summer's day. I'm loving it. This is a good day to do this. Right. This crap in here. The Velcro on the carpet. Tools today, guys, are very simple. All you need is a knife, Stanley knife or some sort of blade. This is really, really sharp, so I've got to be careful with this one. It's good for getting through that sort of thick deadening stuff. And if you haven't removed your interior, then go back on one of my other videos. I probably would have linked it in here. I'll show you how to remove the interior. But if you have removed your interior, your back seats and everything, then you're going to know which sort of sockets you're going to need, because it's one of those hex. These weird hexy things to get the bolts out. I think that's the right size. Which it is, so the size 6, can't really see that, size 50. So, oh right then, so I've just wiped it all down because looks a bit cleaner, looks a bit better. I ain't got a clue what that sticky stuff is. It's not sticky now, but I can't get it off. It's actually like, yeah, weird. Might struggle with these to put it over that. It's a shame because I could drill them out because there's some sort of rivet or something like that, or spot weld. Could drill them out. There's one over there as well, one in the middle and one over there. But like I said, I might want to put the interior in one day if I ever sell this car. So they're there for a reason, obviously to stop the back seat from sliding forward or whatever. But I'll see what it's like when I lay it over. So I might have to just cut a little bit. I don't want to expose any of this underneath, so I might just try and lay it over and try and mould round it. But we'll see how we get on. I was thinking about ripping out the panels in here as well, so then I can pull this bit of carpet right back. But like I said, I'm only going that far under the carpet. I can just do that, basically. So let's go and get this deadening stuff and get ready to lay it down and cut. Oh my god, guys, it's absolutely lush out here. Beautiful. So sunny today. Oh, summer, here it comes. Come on, camera focus. There we go. So this is how big it is. This is probably the width of the car, which is good. But I've just unrolled it. They're going to throw this out at work, so I snatched it up. But yeah, it's got a split here in the middle, which is alright because I can use this bit here. So I can cut it here, just before the slit, and I can use this bottom half, or top half, or whichever you want to look at it, and stick it inside there. So it's good. I can just use the rest of this for the rest of the interior, maybe along this bit here or whatever, or I might use it putting behind the panels and the doors just to keep the road noise down to a minimum, and obviously enhances the speakers as well in a way, keeps the noise and the bass. Yeah, so I'm going to cut it because I don't need all of this. I'm going to cut it straight down the middle and then put that bit in there and then trim around it and then mould it to the shape of this car. Before I cut it though, I just want to lay it in the car, make sure it's the right width. That's absolutely spot on, right width and everything. Actually there's enough to do the whole entire boot, but I don't need to do the whole entire boot, I don't think. I don't know, maybe actually, maybe. I don't know. Alright then, well first of all then guys, I'm just going to trim it to shape. I might not cut the whole thing, I might just use the whole thing to cover the whole bit of carpet over it. And then wipe it down obviously because it does need a dusting off, because it's quite dusty. Perfect size though. Alright, I need to get in the car now. Right guys, so I'll scrap the idea of covering the whole entire boot bit here because it's just, yeah, awkward. Well, it's not awkward, it's just doesn't cover enough of the boot as I thought it would have done. So I just trimmed it to cover the centre part because obviously the carpet will just carry on covering this part here. So I've cut it to shape. There's a few little bits I might need to look at. But this corner here I've cut too far in. It doesn't matter because you won't see it. But no, I'm happy with that. So now I just need to unpeel the sticky stuff at the back, lay it down to where I want it, and then we should be almost there guys. It's looking good. Yeah, I need to put more trimming around here. Then guys, that's all stuck down. I had to get some of this double-sided sticky stuff to put underneath it all, as well as to help it stick down on the edges. But yeah, that's all stuck down now, looking good. And I'm just about to put the carpet in and then leave it as that. But I'm going to wipe it over when the carpet's back in, just darken it a little bit more. But no, I like it, it looks good. Can't wait to see what sort of sound improvement it makes inside here. Quieter, hopefully. Oh, bloody hell. Getting definitely warm out here now. So there we go guys, that's all back in now. The carpet's down, I've stuck it down. I've stuck the ends with that sticky, double-sided sticky stuff on the end of this boot mat to the actual sound deadening, and the same with the other side. Put the boot net back in. Come around this side. Blends in quite nicely actually. Not too bad. Yeah, I've put double-sided tape underneath this carpet to stick it down on top of the sound deadening as well. But yeah, that looks much better. But yeah, as you can see now, blends right in with the rest of the carpet. I would love to raise this floor, but I don't want to carry any wood in here because wood's heavy. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is these little holes here, I'm just going to cut the shape of sound deadening, plug them in. The back part, so you can't see. The back part down there, in that little gap down there, I'm just going to fill that with deadening as well. Sound deadening, and then jobs are good, and I can move on to the light. But yeah guys, I'm literally going to leave it there for today. Yeah, because it's just gonna be getting boring otherwise if you carry on watching this. But yeah, can't think what else to say now. Yeah, because it's been a while. But anyway guys, thank you for watching this really boring episode, I guess. I don't know, I've wanted to do this. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned guys, because I will be back. I don't know when, but I will be back soon with another video. Hopefully again with something in the boot, because I'm going to get something that involves more cutting but also involves tools, which will be good. It should be a very simple, easy install. Stay tuned for that. Oh, by the way guys, I have got merchandise. I've not actually plugged this because I don't know why I haven't plugged it, but yeah, I have got merchandise. I've got key tags, stickers, cups and mugs, coasters. Yeah, so if you're interested in any of that guys, leave me a message and I will message you back if you're interested in any of that merchandise. Everything that you buy from the shop goes directly into the channel, into the ST build, and yeah, all that good stuff, because I want to keep making these videos guys, for you. I don't want to stop. The only reason I've stopped at the moment is because of obviously funds, and it's all me doing this, so I'm shouting out now for some support, love, help, so I can carry on making these videos for you and showing you how to install these awesome performance parts for your ST. So yeah guys, also anyone want to buy my adjustable front drop links, let me know at the bottom. They're polyurethane and like I said, they're adjustable. I'm replacing them with some hard race ones because they're thinner, and yeah, now I've put the hard race wishbones on the front. The adjustable drop links are catching quite badly on the front wheel well, and I'm worried that I'm going to either snap them or it's doing a lot of damage under there, like taking all the paint off. So yeah, I need to replace them ASAP. So anyone out there want to buy them off me, I'll sell them for you for like, I don't know, 25 quid, something like that. I'll clean them up obviously, and yeah, they're polyurethane and fully adjustable. Is there anything else? I've got a few things up for sale guys. If you're interested, just leave a message. If you're interested in it, I've got a standard stereo. I don't know if you remember the stereo that was in here before, the Sony stereo, the big square one, that's up for sale. The standard airbox with the pipe cross air filter is up for sale, with the silicone joiner. So yeah, I might end up selling something else. I can't remember, there's something else I need to sell as well. But yeah, basically I just need to get rid of some of this stuff guys, so I can carry on making these videos and get some more parts. But yeah, stay tuned guys, and remember to subscribe and like if you're new to the channel, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and I think that's everything. Yeah. I will get back into doing these videos again guys, and yeah, being a little bit better and professional again. Right, I'm gonna leave it there. Thanks very much for watching guys. See you soon. Thanks for watching. I like that. It's very nice. See you guys soon.